Here's how to fix YouTube TV verification location not working. First, you want to make sure your browser allows location access for YouTube TV website. For that, on your browser, you want to click on this icon right here, then click on Site Settings. Now find tv.youtube.com and make sure location is set to allow. Once you have confirmed that location access is enabled, you want to open YouTube TV website again. Now click on the profile icon. Here go to settings. Now select area. From there, choose update to verify your current location. If that doesn't work, you want to click on the profile icon again. Here select location. Then try updating your location from there. If you're still having the same issue, you want to clear your browser's cache. For that, you want to click on the three dots right here, then click on the option of settings. Now click on privacy and security, then click on delete browsing data. Here you want to select all time, then select cookies and other site data, then select cache images and files. Now click on delete data option. Once that is done, check if your issue has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to restart your device and your internet router, then try updating your location once more. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.